Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Curly Kenny. Sounds the same, just spelled a little differently. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For my returning curlies, welcome back. If you don't already know, I post all kinds of hair videos and makeup looks and a little slice of life in between. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you never want to miss a video. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into this video. Okay, first I start off with a base. This is concealer. Just any concealer will do. This is BH Cosmetics in a concealer color correcting palette. I just brush it all over my lid, cover the lid, especially with my birthmark on the left side. I really have to make sure that both lids are even as far as the color goes. You want to make sure that the colors are, the eyeshadows are distributed evenly. So first I do that, then you're gonna see me go into the same way, but it'll be with powder, and that's just to set that powder. So you just take that powder, it's out of, this color powder is out of the eyebrow powder set palette. And I'm just taking that light color brown and brushing it over the lid to kind of set that concealer so that it's not sticky. And then I go in with this pretty green color that comes off as like almost like a dark emerald matte color. I love this eyeshadow palette. This color is one of my favorite colors with eyeshadow. It's like an emerald green. Like I said, this one is a matte. So I just go in, cover pretty much cover the entire lid with that. And that'll go on pretty evenly. You just want to kind of brush up on the top with the brush, the makeup brush. You just want to brush at the top where you want to blend it out, and it should be lighter at the top than it is at the bottom of the lid. It's very, 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 very important to blend when doing any eyeshadows, especially ones with color. Ones that you're adding different colors to. It's very, very, very important to blend. That way it just comes off evenly in a smooth, seamless look. Hey y'all, so I didn't notice this until I started editing this video, but if you see my right ear, you see that earring? It's like almost over my ear, and I didn't even notice. It's like I put a headband on to push my hair back, and you'll see it. You'll see it. And I actually have it like this entire video, and I did not even notice that my hoop was all the way back. I don't know if it's my hair or if it's from the headband. Anyway, back to the video. So I just go in the same way with the other lid. And if you've seen my videos before, you know that I like to do them both lids at the same time. Some people do one lid fully at one time and then go in and do the other. I have to do it this way. That way I make sure it's even. It's just the way that I like to do things. So you want to go in and make that corner a bit darker, that outer corner a bit darker. At this point, I'm still on the same color. I just pack more on the outer corner to make it appear darker. And then I go in with the brown. That's going to go more at the top. And that's going to help the very top under my brow blend in a little bit better with the green. You guys, I have some true quarantine eyebrows. I need to get these babies waxed. So just disregard my quarantine brows. That's one thing that I don't. I do a lot of DIYs. I do a lot of things like DIYs on my own, hair, nails, things like that. The eyebrows, I can tweeze a few hairs here and there, but I cannot bring myself to wax my own eyebrows. So pray for me. So as you can see, I'm just kind of blending that, blending it up a bit, but also blending it in with the green to kind of make it a little bit more seamless. Again, you want to blend, blend, blend. And again, I'm packing that just more of the same color towards the outer corners to make it appear darker. And I actually had to edit this video down quite a bit. It took me a very, very, very long time to do this. Partly because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but another reason is because I didn't really have a plan going into this. I just knew that I liked this color eyeshadow, and I did not have an actual plan on what other colors I was going to use. So in a way, I was winging it. You see how that's a bit darker on the outside? This is all the same color, guys. I'm just, the more you put on, it's pretty pigmented, so the more you put on, the darker it's going to get. And I'm just trying to, at this point, blend that out a bit, making it look a little bit more even. Now I go in with the black, and that's to make it come out a little bit more smoky. Go in from the outer part of my lash line up, kind of make a somewhat of a V, the outer corner, and just kind of brush and blend that in. You do want to kind of pack it on because of the green. You don't want it to blend in and just become one color. You do want to pack it on first and then blend it out. Because if you don't, it'll just, if you keep blending it and brushing, sweeping it across the lid, it will just blend all in, and you won't see any variety of colors. You'll just see some ugly greenish, blackish color. Again, I'm just kind of going with the flow. I typically do this with my makeup looks. I usually don't have much of a plan for it, so I just kind of go. You just want to pay attention to how well things blend, and if it needs to be darker, what colors to use to make it darker without it blending in all the way. You want it to kind of fade and basically smoke out. You want to just kind of pack it on, and you see that on that, when I was on that right lid, I kind of patted it, and that's just packing the black eyeshadow on. And then I just repeat the same thing on the left eye, kind of concentrating the black on my lash line and out like a V, like a sideways V. And just pat and then blend out the top all around the perimeter. Oh, this color is just so pretty. love this color. Some people are scared of color, me being one. I used to be one of them, but now it's just, I love color. Black is actually black is one of my favorite colors, but I've learned to embrace other colors as well. And here I'm just patting in that black to give that smokier look. Okay, so now I'm going in with this other pretty green color. This has more of a shimmer to it. Y'all see that? That is so beautiful. I absolutely love this color. It just kind of just starts to bring the look together. It just takes some time to kind of keep that smoky look. Sometimes when you have black on the lid and then you add a lighter color, you lose some of the darker color. So you just have to, there's a way that you can just continue to add more without it looking cakey. Because it's important to kind of keep the two eyes even. And that can become a challenge once you start adding the dark colors. I think that's, a lot of times I think that's the hardest part of doing the smoky eyes, that you just lose the other colors. You lose the darker colors when you add on the lighter colors. I don't know, that's just in my opinion. This is my favorite out of the three. This is my Color Pop palette, Make Up Your Mind. Oh, that emerald green just pops. It just comes out a really, really beautiful look. I think next time next time I use this emerald green color, I think I may do a brown smoky eye. I think that would be pretty too. Instead of the black, use dark brown eyeshadow and light brown eyeshadow. That would be pretty too. That would be more of a fall look, I think. Constantly switch my brushes, so I'm sorry I can't keep up with that, y'all. I just know what I'm looking for with the brush, and I just go for that brush and go in and blend where I need to. I'm just so mad. I recorded this and I didn't realize that I didn't have the front camera on, or the back. Is it the back camera? The one that if the screen is facing if the screen, if you're able to see yourself while you're filming, that's the way I had it on your phone. That's the way I had it. I wanted it the other way so that I can give you the more clear version. So I'm mad about that. But I promise that the next video, you guys will have a very, very clear version. This one is not as, the quality is not as clear as I wanted it to be, and honestly I did not even think about it until I went to edit this. I was like, what's wrong with the quality? Is this phone, I have the iPhone 11, and this phone, the camera on this is amazing. I couldn't even imagine the one with the 3 cameras. Okay, lastly I go in with this goldish, almost rose gold color, orange. I don't know what color this is, y'all. It's pretty too, but I just take that at the top underneath my brow bone and kind of blend that into the edges of the green. Lastly, you will see me go in with my eyeliner. Believe it or not, I am not a huge fan of wing, but I don't know why I keep doing it. I do like this, I'll put it in the description box. I do like this liner though, this eyeliner. It makes it very easy to apply. It doesn't tug on your skin, and it doesn't run. I hate those liquid eyeliners that run in your eye. Those are the cheap kind. I believe this is Maybelline, but like I said, I'll put it in the description box above, or I'm sorry, below. And I know I've linked it before, so I use it all the time, even when I don't do a wing. Here I'm just trying to make sure it's even, at least as close to it as I can. Here I go in with my Scandal Eyes black eyeliner and go over my waterline, and later you'll see me kind of smudge that with a brush to make it, give it a little bit more smoke. That's when I am going in with a little real precise brush and just kind of smudge that out a bit. That one is a firmer brush, but it works to smudge as well. I actually use that brush when I do my eyebrows too, and that helps me keep a line when I don't want to use a liner to line the top. I use that. Y'all, this is the finished look. It's an emerald green shimmery smoky eye. I have fun doing this look, and I will do more like it. If you guys like it, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Just pay no attention to that hair. I don't know who this girl thinks she is. This hair needs a wash and go. This is like day 3 hair, by the way. But anyway, it is the finished look. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this video, and if you want more, let me know. Give me some colors down below. Get me inspired to do more looks like this. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. I love y'all. See y'all soon.